Hello everyone, so we'll continue our DAX topic, and in this video we are going to learn about the switch topics. So what is our requirement? Let's understand. So we have one order date column. So from this order date column, what actually we had to find out? We had to find out like how many orders are happening on the weekend and how many orders are happening on the weekday. So this is the requirement I have. What I had to find out, how many orders are happening on the weekdays and how many are happening on the weekend. So what is a weekend? Weekend is nothing but a Sunday and the Saturday. And what is a weekday? The rest of the day is a weekday. So this is what I have a requirement. Now if you see in our data, we have a order date. We have a order date. Now what actually we'll do, from this order date column, if we can derive it, what is the day of week? We can derive day of week by using a format function. By using a format function, we can find out on which particular day it is happening, whether it is happening a Saturday, Sunday, Monday, like this we can find out. So that is the first function. So first DAX we will use to find out whether it is happening on the Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday. Now after that what we will use, we have to derive it whether it is a weekend or weekdays. So what actually we'll use, with the help of the switch we can write a multiple condition. So what I will write, switch, and after that I will write a condition, this particular column whatever we will derive, right? Day of week, this is a, suppose this is a column name. If day of week is, it is a Sunday, if it is a Sunday, then we will say it is a weekend. Similarly, if it is a Saturday, then we will say it's a weekend. And if it is a other day, otherwise we will say it's a weekdays. So with the help of the switch condition, we will write this kind of the condition. So on this particular column we will apply a logic. If it is a Sunday, then we will make it as a weekend. If it is a Saturday, then we will make it a weekend. If it is a other day, then we will make it a weekday. So that is what we are going to do. So let's see. This is the column, right? So in order date, with the help of the order date, first we will derive the one column, that is a Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So this is the order date, right? Go to the table tools, a new column. So what I will derive, day of week. You can give any name. I will just give as a day of week. And here we will derive whether it is Sunday, Monday or something. So I will use a format. This is a format, and use order date. Orders date, one column will be there, order state. So we'll select that, and we want a, if I'll write a DDDD, it means it will give me Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So if I'll enter this, okay, day of week already is in use. We can write like this, day of something. So you can see this is a column name, Wednesday, Saturday, Monday it is giving. Now what I will do, I will create one new column based on this, right? We'll find out whether it is a weekend or the weekdays. So I'll click on the new, and here we will use a switch. So column name I will give weekend or weekday. This is the column I will write, weekend slash weekdays. I'll use a switch, and you can, once you will click on the switch, right, you can see first we have to write the expression, a value and the result. What is the expression we want to write? So switch, which particular column we have a day of, right? Day of, this is the column, and here I will write a expression. If it is a Sunday, we'll make this as a, if it is a Sunday, then I will make as a weekend. Comma, if it is a Saturday, then I will make this as a weekend. Otherwise I will make as a weekdays. Now if I'll enter this, you can see Wednesday it is saying weekdays, Saturday it is saying weekend, Wednesday it is saying like this. So with the help of the switch you can write a condition. So what actually I am writing on which particular column that we had to mention, and after that I am declaring if it is a Sunday, then I am making as a weekend. If it is a Saturday, then I am making as a weekend. Otherwise I will make as a weekday. So that's how you can write a condition. Suppose for Monday you want to write a separate condition, then comma you can write up for Monday condition also, for Tuesday condition also, like that the multiple condition you can write with the help of the switch statement. So I hope you got the idea how actually we can use the switch.